Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to get terminated Roblox account back. So once your account is terminated, you immediately see an option called appeal. So you just need to be professional and add all the details, like if you did something wrong, or otherwise just appeal that it got banned for a wrong reason. In most of the cases you just cannot get back your account, but if for some reason you just need to do it through appeal through that option. Otherwise you just need to open the Chrome or Google and search your Roblox support. And once you write down Roblox support, so you will see these websites like Roblox support, submit a request, whatever. Just open the first one, let's say this one, and just click on Roblox account. I need help and account suspension protection. And you just need to scroll down, and inside this section, my account was hacked. You just need to get into that section and scroll down, and you will see this option called customer support. Just click on it, and once you click here, you just need to contact us. As you can see, just make sure to enter the username of your game account, the first name, email address, the confirm email address, like issue type, like what is your device, the category account hacked or account login, subcategory hacked account, or whatever other login issues. You just need to describe the problem. And once you describe everything, make sure to be professional and add as much details as possible to which can help for the recovery of your account. And once you add all those details, after that they will contact you, and if it is possible, they might get back your account. If not, then there's no way that you can get it back. So that's all about how you can do it.